Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here, new day, new video. I posted a bunch of tumblers that are buyable, that I have made in videos. I posted them on my community page like I've been kind of saying in various places that I was going to do, and I have gotten not a great response, and I don't, maybe the cups just suck and nobody wants them, but it occurred to me that a lot of people don't look at the community page of various YouTube channels. A lot of channels have them, and I see posts periodically on all sorts of community post pages saying, I didn't even know this was here. I'm sorry I missed it, blah, blah, blah. So it occurred to me that people might not have seen the community page or don't know what I'm talking about when I say I posted it there. So I'm going to run through these cups. If you want any of them, please comment below and then email me. Email's right here on the screen. I'll put it down in the description area. I will put the list of everything we're going to look at down in the description area. Let me know your PayPal email or ID so I can PayPal you an invoice. As soon as I get the payment, I'll mark it sold. I'll get it ready. I'll ship it out. Okay? And try and keep this quick. So cup number 1 in the pictures on my community page has already sold. This is cup number 2. This is a rice paper wrap. All of these are 30-ounce tumblers. Some are 30 thick, like this one. Some are 30 skinny, like this one. They all hold 30 ounces. They are all $27.50. That includes US shipping. If you are in another country and you're interested in one of these, contact me via email and I will get a price quote for you on how much the shipping would cost. And you can decide if you're still interested. So, number 2, rice paper wrap. And number 3, alcohol ink and butterfly. That is this one. Different alcohol ink overlays. This was not actual alcohol ink. These are overlays that I bought on Etsy and I put them together in the order I wanted, and then I stuck a pretty multicolored butterfly on there. Number 4 has sold. Number 5, the blue rose on white. The rest of the cup has blue leopard foil in various places. That's a 30 thick. Number 6, foil and white opal. This was a less than resounding success for me. I thought I would get more vivid foil cutouts and then a more vivid vacancy of those cutouts in what was left of the foil. If you haven't watched the video, that probably makes no sense. When I list all of these cups below, I will also, if I can find them, put the link to the video I made it in if you haven't seen it yet. Number 7 has sold. Number 8 is this one. I took a bunch of Dino Wakely sprays and I sprayed a bunch of printable vinyl. And then I used my Cricut to cut out shapes from that printable vinyl and put it on a tumbler. Number 9, another 30 thick. This is the bubble wrap I did. It's not really bubble wrap. But you know, it's pictures of bubbles. This was a seamless pattern that I was gifted to use in a video, and then I put the graphic on it of the vintage style bathtub and the saying, leave your troubles in the bubbles. Number 10 is sold. Number 11, Arteza iridescent paints in a diagonal, and then a whole bunch of different glitters sprinkled on, and then some sticky sheet vinyl in flower patterns, and then I stickled over the whole thing. This is number 11. Number 12, Ghost Swirl with teal and purple. That's this one. It also has brass in it, and then I put this graphic on the front. If you haven't seen this, it may not look particularly exciting here. If you look at the sunshine shot at the end of the video I made this in, the detail in here is astounding. At least I think it is. I think it's beautiful out in the sunshine because you can actually see lots of depth and lots more color than you can here. It's just the lighting in the studio and the camera just don't do it justice. Number 13 is this one, where I have the hyacinths on it and the foil and the gilding, which I call snot because that's the consistency of it, and the Think Spring graphic. This is number 13. Okay, number 14 is rainbow checks and metallic flowers. So this was a sticky sheet, the top and the bottom, rainbow checks. That's from Mr. Nola's Glitter. And then I put a strip of metallic flower art around the middle and some pinstriping, et voila, beautiful cup. And finally, the oil slick method morning coffee at the window. So this was a new way for me of applying glitter. It starts out like the epoxy method, except you put more than just a very thin coat of epoxy on, and then using a thicker layer of epoxy, you sprinkle on all the different glitters and they sink in and create sort of an oil slick look. So that was the base, and then I put 2 morning coffee at the window graphics on this. So that is number 15, and that brings us to the end. If you have any questions, comment below, send me an email. If you want one of these, comment below and send me an email with your PayPal information so I can send you an invoice. Depending on how many people actually want any of these, it could take me a week or more to get them ready and get them in the mail, but I will send them out as soon as I'm able. And yeah, thanks for watching.